What's up, you guys? Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair, and here's the wig, you guys. So look at this. Look at the baby hairs. They are already pre-laid. The knots are bleached. The hairline is plucked. The lace is cut. Like, what more do I need to do? I don't need to do anything, to be honest. And this is after I took the net off, so you guys can see the baby hairs a little bit better. This is the inside of the wig. Nice breathable cap, deep parting space, and the lace is almost ear to ear. So this is pretty much perfect, ready to go. So I'm putting it on my head right out of the package, just so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so the only thing that I really need to do to this wig is just match the lace to my complexion. But I just wanted to try the wig on first, and again, just show you guys what it looks like right out of the packaging. As you can see, is laid and slayed and ready to go. So here I'm taking my foundation and I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the inside of the lace. I placed the wig back on my head after applying the foundation, and this is what it looks like. Literally, it's perfect. So as you guys can see, the lace almost goes ear to ear, so you have a good amount of lace on this wig. And now I'm just going to go over that with the hot comb. Like I said, this wig is pretty much already laid, but I want to mold it to my head because you guys know, if you don't know, I have a tiny head, so I just want to hot comb the top of the wig and just make sure that it is laying flat. Yes, the baby hairs look really good. They did a really good job at cutting them and laying them, but I personally like mine to be molded and stuck to my forehead, so that way they will stay in place. I don't have to keep relaying them. So yeah, I just took some Eco Style gel and I'm just going to lay my baby hairs how I normally would. I'm taking the elastic band that came in the box, and I'm just going to put that over the baby hairs because I'm going to wet the hair, so I don't want them getting wet. So yeah, I just put the band on to keep them out of the way. This is an old bottle of conditioner that I turned into a spray bottle. So yes, it's just water and leave-in conditioner mixed in together, and I'm going to spray this all throughout the wig. I'm going to wet both sides. I'm not going to completely wet the hair, but I'm definitely going to get it wet, run my fingers through it, and all of that good stuff. Alright, you guys, now that I have wet the wig, that is all that there is left to do. This install was super quick, took no time at all. I love a good pre-customized wig, and all you have to do is throw it on and take it off. No glue, no hairspray, none of that is required. All you need to do is tighten the elastic band to fit on your head, color the lace, lay the baby hairs if you want, but they already are laid, and that's it, you guys. So if you want the same look, I will have everything listed down below, so definitely make sure you check it out. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.
Nadula.